Yay 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 yay. Yay 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 yay. I've brought 10 Fanta at the school breakfast. Yay 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 yay. Let's drink.
Hey guys. I will be subbing for your teacher. My name is Principal Ramirez. Now let's do quick maths. Okay Santa. What's 1 plus 90?
91.
Correct. Okay Amy Reynolds. What 10 times 4? Okay Connor Pingrey. What's 12 times 11?
Principal Ramirez. I don't feel good.
Just answer your question now, else you will be sent to detention.
But Principal Ramirez, I don't feel good. I think I'm going to.
Connor Pingrey, how dare you burp in class? That's it, go to the principal's office now.
Connor Pingrey, how dare you burp in class? That's it, you're expelled for 2, 8, 8, 2, 3, 7, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3 years.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Connor Pingrey, how dare you burp in class? That's it, you're grounded, 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 grounded for one group of zeros. 900099399399349997655432112775543221127725525277277726 years. Go to your room now.
Wow.